Another drink I'm a big fan of. It's called a Jungle Bird. Modern classic, a really unique drink. It's a fun one because before this there was never really ever use of Italian aperitif, especially one as robusta as Campari being used in such a tropical drink. So it's it's a really unique one, and I kind of like being able to show people these unique things, using a lot of flavors that people are already quite used to. You know, pineapple juice, lime juice, good quality rum as always, and then that little bit of Campari. A load of things that most bars would have, but you wouldn't think of putting together. And it just shows, you know, creativity doesn't have to have an ingredient nobody's ever heard of to be something that's really, really special. Starting with, as all good bartending practice, starting with your cheapest ingredients first. Going in with our lime juice. Pineapple juice. Then on to the Campari. Use of bitter flavors even across the board is very rare in such tropical drinks. So it creates a really unique flavor balance. And the star of the show for this one is Kappa 23. Beautiful, beautiful amber rum from Guatemala. I'll always remember this is one of the stories I was told about spirits in my early days of my career, about how the bands on these bottles were hand woven in the village where it comes from. It's those kind of personal touches that make brands like Ron Kappa really, really fun and kind of unique and special to work with. Just a little bit of sugar then to balance that all out. Now, something at this drink is a very important conversation, which is ice, good quality ice. People underestimate the importance of ice in drinks. You know, you don't just fill up the glass so that there's not as much space in the glass. It's all about ratios. The more ice there is in the glass, the colder drink you'll have for longer without it getting too watery. It keeps it at that perfect balance, really, really nice and ice cold. That's why using a big block is a really great idea, because it means that, yeah, again, it's about the size, surface area, keeps it from getting too watery too quickly, keeps your drink just perfect. Just a little bit of mint to garnish on this one. Just a bit of extra freshness in the nose, keeping it nice and light and tropical.